right, cash value close, that's that one right there. Okay? The split payment disclosure. I've got a feeling we're going to need a lot of this in the coming months and years. The split payment disclosure is for a customer who has negative equity. Because when we present a payment to the customer who has negative equity, it's really a payment for two vehicles, isn't it? If you don't split them apart, you're not helping the customer say yes. And the math is fairly easy. That's never. When I come back, I'm going to come back like in February.
Yeah.
Remind me to do that one.
Excuse me.
Okay. Cleanup close. That's an easy one. Hey Jermaine, in order to get your vehicle ready for delivery, get it repolished, shined, and stand it tall, I need your permission to send it to our detail shop. Can I? If he says yes, what's he done? He's bought a car.